Having considered extension too far as to be capable of ratifying ideas of greatness, color comes next under consideration. All colors depend upon light. Light, therefore, ought previously be examined. Huh. Absolutely right. Right again. Huh. Yes. You see, it is light. It makes color visible. Without light, there would be no color. That's true enough. In fact, without light, there would be none of its opposite. Darkness. Ow! Get off! Ah, terrible fucking creatures! Get off! Oh! Ants! Ants! Oh, ants! Ants! Help me at once. Help me at once. They're biting me. They're biting me. They're everywhere. They're all over me. Get them off. Get them off me. Get them off me. This is the trouble with nature. It's so insistent. If I've been poisoned, I shall not be able to continue with my field study. And you'll be responsible. It's masterful, don't you think?
Yes, sir. It's beautiful.
I was right. Height. A greater viewpoint. Look. Down there, the field. And here, the mountain. We are above. And we are the masters, born to rule it.
Masters? Like you're my master?
Yes, well, similar, I suppose, but not exactly.
I'm scared to feel myself the master of something so big. Sir, we have to arrive to the inn before the night falls.
Nature is tamed to our will, Awak. Nature is tamed to our will. Another wasted day. May as well just go back to London. It was ridiculous. Wasted.
What I saw was magical. It was like something inside yourself. Inside you, it was beautiful. I feel you had a spiritual experience for the very first time.
I've said nothing of the sort.
I don't remember anything of this. As far as I'm concerned, you're making this up.
You don't believe me. It came from behind you.
Came from behind me. You're talking about my arsehole?
No, sir, please.
From my arsehole.
Inside. Like someone was inside of you.
Well, that's not at all. That's gibberish. Absolute twaddle. You make this up, I'm sure of it. You have a very vivid imagination.
You don't believe myself. You don't believe.
No, I do not believe you. I do not believe you. Am I supposed to trust you with
It was a light, sir.
a light?
Yes. I was trying to tell you something, which you could hear.
You're saying there was a light that I could see or hear. A light. And yet I don't remember.
Illumination, sir.
I cannot submit to superstition. Stupid, the stuff of imbeciles. And in this case, there is no evidence to show that it would be reasonable for reason to submit. Therefore, it is irrational, unenlightened.
The world is not rational as you think. We are not just body and mind. We are something else, something bigger that is connected with everything. Nature has a soul. We all have a soul. And maybe it's the same soul. Do you feel connected to something, sir?